The best AI image generators of 2023, dall-e 2 and alternatives. AI image generators allow users to type in a prompt and instantly generate the desired image. dall-e 2 is a popular AI art generator that offers advanced capabilities. Bing Image Creator is the best overall AI image generator, offering high-quality images for free. dall-e 2 and Bing Image Creator are both powered by dall-e technology. Dream Studio incorporates stable diffusion, an open-source text-to-image generator, in an easy-to-use UI. Dream by Wombo is a mobile app that allows users to create art in different styles. Crayon is an open-source alternative to dall-e 2 that offers unlimited prompts. Midjourney produces crystal-clear images and has a Discord community. MyHeritage's AI time machine creates realistic portraits of how users would look throughout the ages. Bing Image Creator is the best AI image generator due to its combination of accuracy, speed, and cost-effectiveness.